Intelligence. That's what this video is about. I've been using artificial intelligence to help me produce quality content, to help me get my creativity, keep it in high gear. And it's working. And I'm going to show you a few of the artificial intelligent websites that I've been using, and I'm going to show you an example. I am rewriting content. It's just a snippet of content to add to a category post and a tag post. Let me show you. So this is about WordPress. This is about expanding. This is about creating more URLs to get indexed into the search engines. It all goes together. So here we go. Here I use chat.openai.com right here. Freebie. I didn't use all of this content. I could, but I glanced over it. I said, oh, I could take a snippet here, a snippet there, and add my own twist to it. I need an introduction to this category and to this tag. So I went to Grammarly. I used the free version. And out of this content, I produced this. This is all I wanted. A snippet of an intro content. And I'll show you in a moment why that's all I need. And it says, extra income gig app jobs typically refer to food delivery jobs or shop and pay jobs that people can complete through a mobile app to earn extra money. Then I add in my own words, browse the topics below to learn more about the gig economy, income opportunities. This says a lot more. It speaks about taking surveys on apps and completing tasks to earn money. But my focus is about food delivery and shop and pay opportunities, because it gets you out in the field. It gets you out and about, and you can earn decent money. So what I did was, let me show you what I'm going to do. I'm taking this content, I'm going to copy it. I'm going to place it underneath this category. I want to place it here. I'm not worrying about images or linking. I'm just worried. I'm focusing on intro content. And right now I happen to like heading 4. Parent category. This is the parent category of this category. Extra income gig jobs. I'm going to scroll down. I'm going to click update. I'm going to go back to categories. I've been really working on this for the past week. And you can see, look how beautiful that is. It's beautiful. But if I scroll down, because I'm fixing everything that was subpar when I didn't know what I was doing. Extra income gig jobs. And there's the intro right here for this category. So I'm going to click on view and open it in another tab. Isn't that beautiful on top? Extra income gig jobs. It gives an intro of what this URL page is all about. It's listed under category. It's a URL, but it lists 3 blog posts that I put together. And I will continue to write about this topic because I really do enjoy the topic. And see how it's going to add, the blog posts that I create. Here, my latest one, dumpling app shopping business. It don't need to be full-time. I'm going to click on read more. I'll talk about ads in another video. But see, I created this amazing blog post. And with the help of AI, but also research, looking at other websites, and I put my own spin on it. And gave it my own style, reworded some things, and I work the dumpling app so it was easy to do, and it's a topic I'm interested in and passionate about, and it came out great. That it did. Okay, let's get back to tags. Now let me show you about the artificial intelligence here. I want to create a new tag, extra income gig jobs, just like the category tag. But it's going to be underneath, just like the category. It's going to be listed under tags, but I don't want to use the same exact content that I created here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to copy it. I came across this amazing WordTune free AI editor tool right now. It's free. You can look it up. It's called WordTune. I'm going to paste it. I'm going to space that. And I'm going to click. Oh, no. I'll put that back. Okay. You know what? I'm going to rewrite it. See how that's highlighted? It's going to reword it for me. So it's not exactly the same. People can earn extra income by completing extra income gig app jobs by delivering food and shopping through mobile apps. And they give you a whole list. I mean, you could go through it. In order to earn extra income, people usually take on food delivery jobs. App jobs for extra income often refer to food delivery and shop and pay tasks people can complete by using their mobile devices. Oh, I like that one. So it changed this first sentence. And I'm also going to do the next one. Let's see what it does. Rewrite. Discover more income opportunities in the gig economy by exploring the topics below. Sounds beautiful. Isn't that nice? Look at that. Look at that. I'm going to copy it. But I originally wrote my own words, you know? I'm going to tags. I'm going to add it here. I'm going to add a new tag. I'm going to scroll down and show you. Oh, maybe I have to refresh it. I'm sorry. Let me see here. Oh, we probably put it underneath the category. A, B, C, D, E. There you go. Extra income gig jobs. You see how that works? And another one that I have used, I forgot to open it up, is Copy AI. I exhausted the freebie opportunity, but I really like it. And they let me use it for a long time. But people, there's pros and cons to this. My concern from the start, when I understood how I can use artificial intelligence to produce quality work faster, I want to be unique. I have no concerns about being unique with the content because I'm using it to get my creativity flowing, to get me on. Maybe I wouldn't have thought of that so quickly. That's a great idea. Let me reword that. Oh, let me put my own spin on that. Oh, you know what? I work in the field. I could reword that so differently and better fitting for the topic that I'm writing about. Do you see how you can use artificial intelligence to your benefit? I'll give you one more example before I move forward. I did it last night. It came out great. I'm going to go back to all snippets. I'll talk about this in another video. I'm going to go to post, all posts. I finished it this morning. Eligible cryptocurrency wallets. I'm going to click view so you can see it. I used artificial intelligence to produce this content. However, I did edit it. I reworded it. I moved everything around. I gave my own spin. If you read this, you'd be like, Michelle, great job. It saved me time. It kickstarted my creativity. And I did not copy it word to word. I put my own unique touch on it because my concern from the get-go of learning how artificial intelligent websites can be used to turn one person into 3 people or 5 people, I want to produce quality content. I don't want to produce what everyone else is producing. I don't want, later on, this will matter. People are going to be lazy and there's going to be a lot of the same content out there, but you don't want that because years ago, if you're in the industry of writing online, earning income with Google AdSense and stuff like that, the search engines, they frown upon copy and pasting. There was a big thing at one time when the internet boom came out, everybody was doing their thing and then their income crashed. It's because they were getting lazy. They figured out a loophole. Let's copy and paste, copy and paste, copy and paste. There's so much more to it than that. You have the categories and the tags come into play and the wording and the inbound links and the outbound links and the images and the codes on your blog post or web pages and the videos that you embed. You know, there's a specific way that search engines welcome. They will index your videos, and the list goes on. There's a lot more to it than just what I just showed you, but this helps me speed up the process of producing work faster, and I'm gaining new skills, and I'm learning how to use this artificial intelligence to make me more intelligent. That's key right there. I'll see you in the next video. I hope you learned something here. Never give up. Oh! And if you appreciated the content, please give a like and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next video. Bye.